Today in the grain market, soybeans were higher. China did add $220 billion to economic stimulus to kind of give their economy a boost. I think that would bode well for us. The expectation is that they'll be buying more U.S. grain and soybeans to be exact. Now, technically, we did fill that 17-cent gap and even more. We're up 90 cents today from Wednesday's low, so really had a giant bounce back. Today, the open interest in the November options added about 1,400 to the calls, but sold 1,700 to the puts. So it certainly looks like everything is pointing up, at least for today. The CVOL is 33.2%, so it's looking pretty strong. Oil is up 2.5% to 45.3. I haven't seen it up there in quite a while, so it's really surging here. CVOL is really starting to catch up with all the volatility in the market. The meal was up 1 to 33.1, so looking strong across the entire soybean complex. Corn was up as well. That drier weather outlook is bringing buyers back into the market now. The futures were up 25 cents today and 52 cents since Wednesday's low. Again, another little jump in the market here. Also, crude climbed back above that $100 benchmark. I think that's giving the market a little bit more of support. Now, in options, open interest in the December contract added about 3,000 calls and sold 3,000 puts. So to me, again, looking more to the upside with the CVOL up 0.75% to 47.4%. It's looking like these kind of CVOL numbers from back to when we were in April, but that's because the market came down so hard, so fast, and now we're starting to get back into the recovery here to end this week. Wheat was surging completely. The global supplies that do worry some of the traders, and everyone just jumping back on board. Futures were up $1 really since Wednesday's low, after being down $5 since May 17th. I mean, the market's really been a little bit more volatile than we're used to at this time, but these times are just not normal. Now, the winter harvest is still on the move, and I think that's going to be adding more to the markets. The September open interest for wheat added 3,500 contracts. That is a considerable amount. Not much that was on the call side. Really not much on the put side. So just everyone leaning to the upside with the CVOL up 2.25%. Now we're well over that 50% market, 51.7% on the CVOL. It's safe to say that the grains have hit a bottom and are trying to mount a serious comeback here. We've got a long way to go to even get halfway back from what we lost in just the last 3 weeks. But certainly to end this week, it's looking very strong. And so we'll start next week. We're going to have the full 5 days. And so we'll see if we can get a better idea of market direction.